Hey everyone, it's Keza, also known as Sky that loves gory movies with puzzles. So let's get ready to open them. This one I'll do first. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, that's good. As you know, I've been collecting the Tag Classics and this one's no exception. It's US 91 and US Rampage 91, US Rampage 92. So let's see what's inside this. This is the front, this is the back. Don't know if you can see that with the glare. Sorry about that. Tag Classics. US Rampage 91, US Rampage 92. So, and here's the second one. And this is of course the top 25 rivalries in wrestling history. Comes with a slip. Of course, Hogan and Andre are on the front side, and Austin and Vince McMahon are on the back. So of course, same again. Front's the same, spine is the same, back is the same, and it comes with 3 discs. So I'll probably be watching that later. So another 2 wrestling DVDs to add to my collection, which are them 2. Just so happy that I've got them now in my collection. So I'm made up. So please stay gory and have unpleasant dreams. Ta-ta for now.